Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. These microfiber gym towels by We Sweat are awesome for workouts. They are soft, super absorbent, and dry really fast so you're not stuck with a wet, heavy towel after exercising. The silver ion tech is a big plus. It helps keep the towel fresh and odor free even after sweaty workouts, so no more stinky gym bags or pockets. The size is just right as well, 32 by 16 inches, big enough to wipe down your face and body, but small enough to carry in your gym bag or pockets. They work great for the gym, home workouts, or even outdoor sports. They are even great for cleaning your glasses, iPads, or laptops. They're also easy to wash, light to carry, and they dry super quickly. So if you want a towel that doesn't drop and stays fresh, this one's a solid pick. And that's my point of view.